So we've been tasked to do an unboxing video, or in this case, an unbagging video. And somebody has got a bit of a sense of humour, so quite exciting. Let's have a look what's in here. So I've spared you the ripping sellotape scene, and we're just going to dive straight into the bag now and see what we've got. Something else in there as well. Aha, okay, get rid of the bag. So, what we got? Wow, yes. Now I'm excited about this because I did drop a hint a few weeks ago that I was looking for something that I could put the phone in for a sat-nav on the bike, because at the moment I've got it kind of like that on a tank bag, and it makes it difficult to see when the light's kind of shining down there. So I can get this just at the right angle for me, which is perfect. So what I've got here is a universal extra large waterproof tough case from a company called Ultimateaddons. So universal extra large is good, definitely fit my phone. I have got iPhone SE with a case on. Okay, let's have a look what we've got here. So, tough case, waterproof to IPX5, so keeping your phone dry all year round, fantastic. Absorbing layer, shock absorbing, slimmer design. You can charge it on the go as well for a charging hole, I would imagine. Simple to mount to any of the Ultimate add-on attachments using the 3-prong system. Fabulous. Take photos or videos while protecting in this tough case. Bluetooth headset recommended for best performance, of course. Right, that's that. Wonderful. What have I got here? Aha, top clamp attachment. Right, so this looks like, rather than fit on the handlebars, this looks like it's going to be with a bolt here, a replacement for one of the header bolts on the handlebars, which does actually make for a much more secure fit, I have to say. It's a useful bit of kit. So once we've done the unboxing video of this and had a little bit of a look at it, the next video will be fitting it to the bike. So without further ado, I'm now going to have a look inside. This is proper unboxing now. Here we go. So I presume, what's that? A lanyard maybe? Yep, okay. Standard instructions. Aha, right. And the box itself. Let's get it out of the wrapping. There we go. Right. Okay, so it is definitely extra large, and it is slimline. And there's the 3-prong system on the back. So obviously triangles are the strongest shape, as we know, so yeah, that's good to have 3 prongs there. That'll be nice and sturdy. And that universal for the camera apertures. So let's have a look what we've got here. Okay, so we have a clicking system. Aha, so we undo at the back and that clicks off. And we just flick that there and that clicks off. That's pretty cool. Yep, and then that'll be just pushing out at the sides, which we do. That's fine. It's very secure. And then one at the bottom. Okay, yep. So essentially we have, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. Very good. Take that out, and the packaging, of course. So what I'm hoping with this is that my phone, the SE, will fit inside here without having to take the case off, because I don't really like keep messing about with the case. So let's have a look. Yep, we'll close that. Let's have a look. So we'll click shut, click shut. Ha! That satisfying snap as that goes into place. And that, it's got a little lip in here that hooks over there like that. Oh, it's in place too. And finally, look at that. Okay, so you can quite clearly see that the camera can be spotted there, and the phone fits rather nicely in here. So as I say, we will be doing another video of fitting this Ultimate Add-ons case to the bike, and we will also be giving it a little test for waterproofness, as well of course of as taking it out for a spin on the bike to see how it performs. So I'll give it a good going over, but first impressions is that that's pretty sturdy, and that is definitely inside there. Good. Put to one side. Clamp attachment. Yeah, it's going to be fairly standard, I would imagine. Can't just cut my fingernails today, I can't get in the box. There we go. Right, okay. Aha, right. Yep, little ball mount. Ooh. 3 bolts. That. Yep. Let's open the bag. Bursting. Gotcha. Okay, so they've got 3 bolts, ball mount, and a little piece here. I would suggest that that will probably go in to cap this. Pretty neat. And of course in here, right. Yep, feels nice and sturdy. So all the bits and bobs are here, fitting it to the bike. So that is the unboxing and the initial look at the Ultimate Add-ons Extra Large Waterproof Universal Tough case. Now I would imagine, and I'll double check the website, but I think they do, I think I've seen that they do. Oh look, that's where the lead goes in. That's cool. Charging lead goes straight in there. Right. Yeah, that's good. This is the universal one, but I do believe, having seen some of their stuff before, they do phone cases for specific models of phones. But this is, as I say, is the universal one. So let's just get my phone out now and see how easy it comes out. That's the main 2 done. We'll pop the side ones. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the final one there, and out it comes. I love that satisfying click. And listen to this one. Oh, how cool is that? Right, I'll leave you to it. Next video, fitting to the bike.